interpretation that I did. I just looked at the numbers and, draw a little picture in there. All right. This is a Graben closure, which is a little hill inside of two faults that sandwich things together like that. That well right there made 1/10 of a BCF of gas, the one we saw back there. Mm-hmm. So I know there's a trap there because we made 1/10 of a BCF of gas. So I know there's a trap there that caused that gas to stop there. Mm-hmm. All right. So that's called a Graben closure. And then there's several other zones on that underground hill right here that also trap oil in these formations called the hollow tree, which is a oil and gas formation at around 3,500 to 3,600 feet. So you got 3 shots there. All right. You got this one here. You got a shot there. All right. Now you got 2 more shots here. So you got a lot of shots. So you go out there and you say, don't always go drill one-hit wonders. That's what they're called. You think of songs in the 70s, you think, oh, whatever happened to them? They were just one-hit wonders, And boy, the song they had was good, but they never produced any more than that. You always want to have lots of things that you can go out and do. Seismic is, to me, it's just kind of an additional support